Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete your Temu cart, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on my screen currently, I have some items in my cart here at the right hand side. However, what you can do from here is pretty much nothing. You can select what you want and that's pretty much it. Now, I can change the quantity of these to 0 and that will remove them. However, what you can do to be more certain that your items are deleted is you can go into your cart just by clicking on go to cart or clicking on the cart icon in the top right, and from here, as you'll see, you'll see a list of all your items. Now here you can also change the quantity to 0, that will delete them, or you can click on the trash icon in the top right of the item, click on that, and as you can see, now your cart is empty. And that's pretty much all you need to do. It's as easy as that. It's very intuitive, very easy to do. So for example, if I add this item to my cart, for example this green one, it'll be added to my cart, and as you can see, it's here again. And if we go to our cart, as you'll see, pretty much the same thing. You can click on this, or you can set the quantity to 0, and that's automatically going to remove your items from your cart. Now, if you ask me, I don't know why there is no delete option from there, and I'm not sure why you have the option to set the quantity to 0. However, it is what it is. It's just a design choice that I'm not sure why they implemented, but it works, so it really doesn't matter. So yeah, you just need to either set the quantity to 0 or delete it from the cart menu, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.